Hello everyone, hello teacher. Today I want to show you about this one exercise on the chapter 7 that show it and using PermaLearn tool. The exercise is the 7 on the chapter 7. Determine the internal force, shear force and the moment at the point E of the two-member frame. So how to solve it? We need to find PermaLearn. PermaLearn is the 2D structure analyze tool that easy way to the solving problem. Some exercise can solve on it, but some exercise cannot. So I want to tell you the detail about the part of the 2D structural analysis tool. This part is the cross section. This part is the decision variable. This part is the result and display on after when we put the variable, it will appear display on it. And this is a component calculator that we need to set up before so now we look at the grade size. I choose 10 meter multiplied by 10 meter, and the mesh size I choose 1, and I need to set option. So let's start from our exercise. We want to see about our exercise. So our exercise distance from AB and or the C, distance from it is the 4 meter. So I need to do 4 meter. I will need to join coordinate 4 meter on the PermaLearn first. So being on X I choose 0, and being on Y coordinate I choose 0. Horizontal distance from the being point I chose 4, and vertical distance I chose 0, also the same, also the 0. So we know when we put about the variable, this part will display on the 2D structure for the analyze. So I need to join coordinate more, join member more. So the Y being Y I chose 1.5, and horizontal I chose 4, also the same. On the case Y I chose Y I chose 1.5 only. Oh, 1.5 is Y I chose 1.5 on the being A coordinate, or being Y coordinate. Being Y coordinate is mean when we start from being Y, we start from 1.5 coordinate, 1.5 Y coordinate from this point to this point. So we need to put 1.5 because 1.5 is calculated from 0 to 1.5 on this case. So now we click add. We need to join the member, another member is this point, so B up down. So the member B we need to, and I want to start from this to this. So how can I start? I choose the being H I choose 4. Why I choose 4? Because I want to start being H is start from this. I choose 4 for the analyze to analyze it that it means start from this point to this point. And another vertical I choose 1.5. Yes, click add. So the structure is so it on this part. So now I need to add about the support. How can I add about the support? Our exercise so that the support from this one and this one. So the structure I want to put its support from this here and from this here. So I choose start from at 0 and A00 and the pin. Our support type is the pin support, so I need to put in pin support on it. And at the point, if we need to put in pin support on it, also follow the our exercise. So we need, if we want to know how the joint coordinate where, we can put it on, we can put our mouse on it, and we see the point C. So now this point C. So I got it. So we got about the member and our joint member and the support, joint support. So we need to put about linear distribution load. From this point, from this to this point. So how can I know this to this point? We need to put 2. If this is the member 2, so the color green, yellow color, we make sure that in this case we put the right member ID. So we put a vertical load type, vertical distance from the being load, we no need to put, and being load, we want to see, I want to check it again. 255 Newton meter. So in this case, being load on the PermaLearn is the kilonewton meter, so we convert it Newton meter to kilonewton meter. So 0.25 and the end load 0.25. So on the exercise, the load is the up down. So I need to put minus on it. So it's okay, we appear on it. And another load, where's the member ID? The member ID is on it. So the member ID on our is 3 member. So this will appear. This color will appear, is mean why we chose this like this color, we chose this this part for put the distribution load. So we don't need to put vertical load, we take horizontal. Being distance, we don't need to put, and being load, this PermaLearn I set start from this point, and being load, we put this point. So now I want to check again. Yes, from this upper and down to point B, and so now being load is to 300 Newton meter. So we convert this 0.3, and we need to put minus, and yes, because put minus because the load is the up or downward. So already, and we don't skip on the hint. Hint is an important thing to calculate about the structure, that we underline that where the point of the joint coordinate. So the joint of coordinate this point to this point, it means like from this point to this point, followed on our exercise. So I chose for yes, right. So yeah, I want to clearly explain for you. From A to B and B to C, right? So we click add, and we will the solution determine internal force, shear force, and a moment. We click on the cross section is the last, it's a solution. We know more force, and normal force, and we click display. We will see the result on it. So the exercise, so the point E, normal force of the point E. Where the point E? Point E is like this. So point E on it. So we scroll our mouse and we put it mouse on it, and we see the normal force equal to minus 1.4833 kilonewton. This is a result about our solving problem on the PermaLearn. So another result on the shear force, we choose it on, or also click it, or not click, but scroll it and stop here. Yes, shear force. Oh no, we need to display first. So yes. So we see the shear force 0.5 kilonewton. 0.5 kilonewton. This is a result of shear force. And the bending moment, point E, also 0. Oh, we need to display first. I forgot. 1.0 kilonewton. The result of the shear force. The result of the normal force is minus 1.4833 is the result. So the result we need easy to find and easy way to use the PermaLearn. The PermaLearn is good for the engineering student. So the result will show you already, and thank you for watching. Thank you teacher, thank you everyone.